Hi, so let's continue, all right, with the plotting. All right, so currently the last thing that we did was to plot three different uh, waves or graphs on the same plot. All right, and what we're going to explore now is how to create subplots. Okay, so in some cases, yes, we want to display all the information on the same plot. All right, but in some cases, maybe we would like to display them as subplots next to each other. All right, so how can we do that? Okay, so let me copy this code first. All right, and create a new code block. Okay, so what we're going to do is we want to create subplots, and the format is going to be one row and three columns. Okay, so what we're going to do is, given this data, all right, what we're going to do is first, okay, we're going to, before we issue the plot command, we're going to say plt dot subplot. Okay, so 1 3 1. Okay, so what is 1 3 1? Okay, so when you create subplots, you need to specify the dimensions. Okay, so the first parameter is number of rows, second is number of columns. So in this case, I'm having one row and three columns, and this is subplot 1. Okay, that means the first subplot. Then when I change this to 2, it will be a second subplot, and when it's 3 is the third subplot. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to keep this here. Alright, and then we're going to copy this and put it here as subplot 2, and one more, which is subplot 3. Alright, now when you create subplots, all right, you may want to have different labels for the x-axis, all right, x-axis, depending on what you are trying to update the or inform the reader of the graph. All right, so you can have each subplot with its own title, with its own x label. All right, and you can have a common y label for all the graphs. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to copy this x label. Okay, and going to put it here so that all three plots have the same x label. Okay, and the y label alone, we keep it for the first plot. Okay, now why do I only want to put it for the first plot? Because the plots are now side by side. Okay, so this will allow me to have a single y label for all three subplots. All right, now the title, okay, again you can have individual title. So instead of having the legend as we did before, okay, where you have multiple plots on the same graph, since it's now three separate graphs, you can have the title, all right, separately for each of them. Okay, so the first one, the title would be Dubai. Okay, the second one, the second subplot, the title will be Sharjah. Okay, and the third subplot, the title will be Abu Dhabi. Okay, now let's just see this first, all right, to understand how the data will be represented. Okay, so now you see you have three subplots. Okay, so this Dubai subplot is 131, Sharjah subplot is 132, and Abu Dhabi subplot is 133. Okay, now each of them has their own X label, and we have a common Y label, and each subplot has its own title. Okay, its own title. Now you can also have a sort of a overall title, all right, for the whole all three subplots together. Okay, so you can say plot dot sup title. number of staff versus here. So this will become the overall title, okay, for the all three subplots together. Okay, so now when I run it, you will see that I have an overall title and then the three subplots. Okay, so I hope this idea is clear now. Alright, so of course you may think, why do I want subplots? Okay, or when do I want subplots? When do I want this multiple plots in the same graph? Okay, so if you want to see, make an easy comparison, okay, between different sets of data, then putting them all together in one common graph, okay, or one common plot may be a good idea. Okay, but if you are interested in analyzing each of them individually, okay, getting more clarity into the details of how the data is changing, all right, then subplots may be a better idea. Okay, so it all depends on the use case, right? What you are presenting and what you want the reader of these graphs to understand, okay, by looking at these graphs. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.